this beautiful house in an area of Villarreal. I'm not going to tell you about it, see it for yourself. Come with me and I'll show you every corner and all the details of this lovely home. Starting with the pool and this relaxation area to enjoy in the summer, which I think is just great and ideal. Let's continue over here, come with me, because I want to show you something. The barbecue area, but first, so you don't have to go inside the house. This house is full of luxurious details. Now let me show you this incredible barbecue with its truly spectacular ceramic front. Just take a look at the barbecue right here, and you really have to check out this amazing detail. It features a built-in stone oven perfect for making delicious pizzas, baking some cakes. Oh my goodness, it is absolutely stunning. I can already picture myself here. I'm showing you the back part of the house. It has 2 storage rooms, one covered and one uncovered, and a small piece of land. Over here we have the more enclosed storage room, this other one that's open, and a plot of land at the back with a lemon tree. It's really beautiful. These windows are the windows of the rooms at the back. I'll show them to you later because this area gets a lot of light in the afternoons. It's gorgeous. But before going inside the house, this area next to the barbecue, we have 2 spaces. This one that's more for sofas, and then a little table here that welcomes us as soon as we come in. Perfect for having lunch and dinner. And now we come to my favorite part of the house. We're greeted by this beautiful table with really lovely lighting. Then in the kitchen, we have this island with the built-in stove and the extractor hood in the ceiling. How many people can you fit in this kitchen? I'm already imagining all sorts of things. Before moving on to the night area, let me show you the living room area with this super big, super comfy sofa. Honestly, I can imagine so many things in this house. And now we're finally moving on to the night area. Let me explain. 5 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a laundry room, and a walk-in closet. On one side of the space, there is the entire spacious bedroom area, which features a comfortable queen-size bed and truly spectacular natural lighting during the late afternoons. But right now it's 11 in the morning, so look at how beautiful the light is in this amazing walk-in closet with storage space on both sides. Now let's continue and finish up with this stunning full bathroom, which features a spacious shower tray, an elegant sink, and a truly exquisite design. Here we continue with the laundry room. A little playroom. This is one of the 5 bedrooms that the house has. Bathroom with a bathtub and double sink. Over here, to be able to light up the whole house, we have this interior light well, which is a super nice detail, honestly. I mean, if I ever build a house, I'll definitely keep this in mind. Full double bedroom. Let's continue over here. We have another bedroom, all of them with built-in wardrobes. This would be the 3rd bedroom. The 4th bedroom, also with a built-in wardrobe. So well, we hope you like this format and especially this house. We are house drovers, so if you want to come see it, you just have to write to us.